Tuesday, March 29th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. And it's a cold start to the day. Low temperatures this morning across most of the region, at or below freezing. Even along the coast, it's been close to the freezing mark this morning. And a definite chill in the air. But a lot of changeable weather coming up here over the next couple of days. This is a fast-moving flow pattern and several more storm systems making a run at our area in the foreseeable future. Let's start off, though, with a look at those temperatures across the lower 48 this morning. And notice the warmth bubbling a bit down in parts of Texas, Louisiana, up into Arkansas. That's right ahead of our next storm system, but very chilly across the Carolinas. Pretty much coast to mountains, at least in the 30s, and a lot of mountain spots and even some Piedmont spots in the 20s this morning. Accordingly, there's a lot of frost advisories and freeze warnings out from eastern Tennessee through a good chunk of the Carolinas this morning. There's the radar imagery, and this is the area to watch today, is right in here. There'll be some shower and thunderstorm development. A number of those storms could grow severe later on, and that is with our next system. Really, the setup's an area of low pressure right around that region. Warm front this morning draped right about through there. That'll be lifting northward. And again, we're going to wind up being on the chilly side of this system, as that low will probably wind up somewhere close to that area. So most of us on that cool side of the incoming low pressure. There's your day one severe weather outlook. Much of southeastern Texas, much of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, into southwestern Alabama, included in that standard slight risk for today. This is the upper air chart, valid early this afternoon. There comes the next little piece of energy diving down into the plains. It'll really get that area of low pressure going. The thunderstorms develop and that rain spreads our way late tonight into tomorrow. There's tomorrow's upper air chart. Let's go out toward the end of the week. This is Thursday evening, and this is really a challenge later on this week into this weekend. Notice all these little pieces of energy kind of contained within this trough that'll try to pivot through, and each of the models kind of develop and amplify those little shortwave troughs in a different fashion. And finally, the European, look at that. This is 8 a.m. next Wednesday. Very powerful system rotating through. But let's talk about the incoming system. This is the day 1 and 2 QPF, or the precipitation amounts, the forecast from the HPC, and the heaviest rain right along the Gulf Coast. But the HPC indicating a good rain event. Most of our region, at least 3/4 of an inch or so. And that might be a little on the high side, but I think most of us at least a half inch, and there could certainly be some localized spots over 1 inch of rain. So that's good news. We'll still take all the rain we can get, especially when it's this kind of drawn out fashion, not an inch of rain in an hour in a thunderstorm. This is the good type of widespread soaking type of rains. Today, though, a good day. We'll see highs into the upper 50s and low 60s across the region. A good bit of sunshine, but quick changes. The clouds quickly fill in tonight, and as we get into late tonight and tomorrow morning, this is the rain that falls prior to 8 a.m., so already rain developing into the region, and then a rainy, chilly Wednesday forecast. I think a lot of the Piedmont will probably stay in the 40s through the day tomorrow. So a chilly, rainy day with that system pulling on through. All right, then we go out to Thursday, and there's a lot of disagreement amongst the modeling with exactly how Thursday unfolds. This is the GFS, and it does pull another good slug of moisture through here with another system on Thursday. And I'll show you some of the other models here in just a second. So there's what we wind up with by Thursday evening on the GFS, another area of low pressure centered over eastern North Carolina, and another chilly, rainy day Thursday on the GFS. Now let's go to the Canadian. This is what the Canadian has by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then there's the rain through the day tomorrow, and the Canadian as well, indicating more rain on Thursday with another area of low pressure moving on through. Let's go to the European. All right, there's where the rain has fallen through 8 a.m. tomorrow. Oop, let me go back one more. There we go. There's the rain tomorrow morning into early afternoon, and then there is the rain tomorrow afternoon into early evening. See what the European says for Thursday. It also has rain pulling on through. So I'm going to kind of go with that scenario, indicating another chilly, rainy type of day for Thursday. All right, let's go beyond. This is Friday on the GFS again. That low lifting up, kind of a cool, breezy day Friday behind it on the GFS. Saturday, much the same. The Canadian, though, brings another system through here with rain on Saturday. Actually, taken at face value, there'd be, surface temperatures aside, that'd be indicating the chance of some snow in some areas. But again, surface temperatures would be an issue. But you look at another system on the Canadian on Saturday. So there's a lot of uncertainty with these individual disturbances. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I just don't have a lot of confidence which, if any of those, are going to amplify enough to bring us precip. I'm most confident about Thursday, but even that's still a question mark. All right, this is Sunday. GFS lifts a warm front through as the next system gears up, and it swings a pretty potent cold front in here with showers and thunderstorms by Monday evening. The European is similar, but then it develops another piece of energy as well that keeps the rain and thunderstorm chances going for Tuesday of next week as well. So it's a lot to talk about. This is a time of year where we oftentimes get these fast flow patterns with a lot of storm system activity moving through, and certainly the next week is seeing that type of scenario unfold. All right, that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great Tuesday, and God bless.